Behind me is one of the oldest rock in Wales. We are in Llanymynech and today we're going to explore this area. Join me and to see exactly what we can find here. Check this out. It's exactly on a border between England and Wales. You see, if you like climbing, you can come here from activities. There are some people there who are doing this stuff. So here was an old mine in old times, but now it's closed. People are using this rock just for the climbing. Check this out. Thousands of years old. Check this out. Let's just go a little bit closer to see exactly. What do you think, guys? You like to try to climbing this rock? There are also obviously people who do it, and that girl over there is doing very well. So here around it's a forest. Check this out. This forest is very dense forest and well kept. It's perfect spot here to come for a camping, also for a picnic. I don't know if camping is allowed here, wild camping, but obviously you can come here for a picnic to have some nice good time. So the plan is to go to the top and to see exactly how it looks like. I never been here before. It's a nice experience for me and for you guys to watch. So a little bit about Llanymynech. It's a Welsh village close to the border with England. Half an hour away from Shrewsbury. Easy to arrive here with a car or bus. The buses are going in Llanymynech every hour. So yeah, if you want to explore, just come over. So if you walk here, you need to be careful because it's dangerous. The rocks are falling sometimes. So it's a sign over here. Just keep on a main path. You see the rocks already fell. So you need to be careful. You just need to follow the path and you'll be fine. Of course, you can stop over here to have like a picnic. Let's just see what is that in front of us. So here there are plenty of paths for where you can walk with your dogs. Also, you see, you can go in that way through the forest. The forest is looking very beautiful, green and nice. I'm curious what is this one here in front of me. Let's check this out. I reckon this one is here for hundreds of years. I don't know what it is. This looks very old to me. Check this out, guys. It's moving. So you see, they use the horses to move this one, and probably when they're mining, they bring everything on the top. So you see, it's old style of mining, using the horses from the power. Check this out. So if you go down here, you'll go to the Llanymynech, and you can see here the old lines from the mining. So they use the horses. Here it's a dude hanging around. Let's go to explore more to see what else we can find here. I'm very interested to see what you can see from the top of the rock. Apparently there are some caves here around, so we will go to see the caves also. It's a beautiful weather today to explore. Join me, guys, to see what we can find here. So here it's a cave. Let me see. So here we have a cave, but it's close. So this is the old mine. From here they took out the coal. Let's see what is happening here. if we can stick inside to show you how it looks like, this old mine. Check this out, guys. Did you know you find this in England? I mean Welsh, because we are in Wales. This one, it's exactly on a border. Let's see what we can find here. Let's see what is here. So it's looking like somebody built this one here. So maybe was buildings here in the past where people was living, people who was working in a mine a few hundred years ago. Maybe they was living here, you know, to be close to the work. Check this out. So these rocks here, they are for thousands of years, maybe millions of years. Check this out. This one here, this path, was built by people 100%, because it looked like a structure who was built by human beings. Here we go. Again, you need to be very careful here if you come close to the rock, because you don't want to be hit by a rock. It's dangerous. So let's just go to see what we can find here. Here we go, more rocks here. Let's just go out and to keep exploring to see what else we can find in this beautiful area. Look at this photo view, guys. If you see here, so are the village, the Llanymynech. There, that hill in the front is Rodney's Pillar. So this here is a Welsh. All of this is exactly on a border. If you go a little bit further over there, it's England. If you cross that river, I don't know if my camera can pick this, that there, it's a river. If you cross that one, you are in England. So we are exactly on a border. Llanymynech rock. That you need to check if you want to come here to do a walk. It's not too many people. It's a bank holiday weekend, but still it's quiet. There are not too many people working here, which is nice, because you don't want to work somewhere where it's full of people. So let me show you something. These gates here, make sure you close them, because sometimes there are animals. Sometimes there are animals from farms here, like sheep in Wales. There are a lot of sheep. And it is interesting fact for you guys. In Wales there are more sheep than people. So you make sure you close the gates to don't let the animals go out. It's very simple to follow the path. You have these arrows showing you where to go. And here we have a map of the mine. So this was the mine here.
In the 1860s, Thomas Savin, a local business developer, tried using 4 times the usual quantity of explosive in one enormous blast to extract a month's worth of stone in one day. But the money he saved was spent on roof repairs for angry local householders.
So now we will get here in the middle of the mine to see exactly if is something here. It's beautiful here. Let me know, guys, if you like this type of videos, exploring different areas in UK, and tell me where you want me to go to show you. There are so many old mines here in Wales, and my plan is to go in other ones to see exactly how they look like and to show you guys. So there are these fence here, so you are not allowed to go there. Maybe because it's dangerous, maybe because some rocks are falling. They don't want you to go there to put your life in danger. So from here, you see that cave there, what I show you. So was connect the line and the train who extract the coal from the mountain or the rocks or what they extract from here, they just go through. So literally they build a shortcut from here to there to be easy for them, and after that down to the valley, and from there in a train, or is a canal over there, so maybe on a boat on a canal, and they just move them around. Depends how old this mine was. It was 100 years ago. In that time was trains, so they was using trains. It was 200-300 years ago. In that time they probably used the boats. So let's see what's happened here. Maybe some of you who watching this video have somebody in a family who was connected with this area. The grand was working here in a mine. Let me know in a comment. Check this out, this forest here, how beautiful it is. It's like an Amazonian forest. And check this out here, guys. So this is the mine, you see, the old stuff, what there was left here after when the mine was closed. And everything was left behind. Check this out. Here we go. So probably you can go down there. Yeah, absolutely, you can climbing over there. See, this big hole was from where they mining. I don't know why these are things are for climbing, so you just came here upstairs, you tie your rope on that one and you're just climbing down. So that was the tunnel what I'm talking about. So literally was a shortcut from this mountain to be easy for them to work faster. What do you think, guys? You see there people who are climbing. Beautiful area. Just want to see upstairs how it look like. So guys, do you see the tunnel over there? Like a cave. So there in the old days when the witches was around England, around this area, so they will go there and they kill chickens and they make rituals. Just if you come with a car, guys, just bear in mind the parking is very small. You might not find space, but check to park in a village and just walk here because it's not far away. So you can park in Pant, is a other village next to the Llanymynech. So that village is in England. So you see, guys, one of them is in Wales and other one is in England. So this rock where we're working now is in Wales. Here we go, somebody made a fire over there. Check this for a view. Shropshire over there. So you see the river, what I told you. Here we go. Check that yellow fields. So there is Wales, there is Shropshire in England. And somewhere over there is Shrewsbury. Over there we have Pant, which is in England. Over there we have Llanymynech, which is in Wales. Check this out for a view. Here we go. There is the mine. So imagine 100 years ago, here was people working, mining, hard life, hard work. And look how it's looking now, with everything what is left behind. And there in the front is Wales. And if you go in that way, you go to Snowdonia National Park. So here we go, guys. Here I have something for you. So if you like golf, you can come to play golf over here. a big golf club here. There are some people who play golf here also. Imagine playing golf here with this view around you. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. It's exactly what you want to do to relax yourself. Let's go to see what else we can find around this area. This golf club, it's absolutely huge. So it's coming in this way. You see how many people are over there playing. So you see that bench over there. So this side is Wales, the other side it's England. So if you're looking over there, if you go straight in a line, half of that pitch is in England and another half is in Wales. So we arrive in a pond village. People who grow some flowers, veg here. Let's see how the houses are looking like. So what do you think, guys, about the Llanymynech rock? Do you like it? It's very easy to come here. I recommend you to go to Shrewsbury and from there take the bus, or if you drive, just put in a navigation Llanymynech rock and it's gonna take you straight away there. There you go. So it's a small English village. So check this out, these houses here and the courtyards. So it's a very beautiful village. Probably in old times here was the miners from the mine that was living here, and this village was full of people who was working in that mine. But now the times are changed and it's not mine anymore. So they are just normal people who living here, probably people who work in Shrewsbury and they come here to live quiet and nice, or they have a holiday house here. Check this out. So all of them, so all of that houses, they are new houses, or they was built recently. People who move here to live. So you can see, guys, people who live here have money. You see the houses. Apparently this was a land not long time ago, 5 years ago, and now there are new buildings everywhere. Check this out, it's a nice beautiful village. Okay, guys, I'll close the video here. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like, subscribe, comment on this video because it's helped me a lot, and I will see you in the next video.